Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. I'm gonna tell y'all how your month of June 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, in your 8th house, there will be Mars, Mercury and Venus. In your 7th house, there will be Rahu and Sun. In your 4th house, there will be a Gaj-Kesri Yoga, the Jupiter-Moon conjunction. And in your 3rd house, there will be Saturn in its own sign, the Capricorn sign. And obviously, in your ascendant or over your moon sign, there will be Ketu. So this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of June 2021. Well, Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, I want to tell y'all something today. I want to tell y'all that you have lost some belief in yourself. You are not willing to believe yourself at this point in time. But when you'll enter into the month of June 2021, make sure you believe in yourself. You have that belief where you think that you are the strongest. You know, at this point in time, you may not be believing in yourself. You may not be believing in your relationships. You may not be believing that you can earn money. You may not be believing that you can get love in this life. You may not be believing that you will pass that exams with flying colors. You may not be believing that you will earn money in the stock market. You may not be believing that you are able to take a loan and repay that. You may not believe that you may get a job. You may not believe that you will be able to excel in your business. But let me tell you all, when you enter the month of June 2021, and if you start believing in what you are doing and what you can do, then let me assure you that you will succeed in life. But you have to start believing in the month of June 2021. You know, belief is everything. Believing is everything. Focus on something positive which will make you believe that you are the strongest. That which will make you believe that you can do it in life. That which will make you believe that you can make it in this thing called life. So belief comes by hearing and hearing. Ignore and avoid those people who are trying to discourage you, who are trying to tell you that please do not act on your ideas and plans. Don't listen to these naysayers, these negative people who are trying to stop you from achieving your goals and dreams in your life. I am telling you, you have the talents, abilities and the skills to see success in your life. So, in the month of June 2021, just stop watching those television channels where they are telling you about some bad news and start listening to something positive. Start listening to upbeat music. Talk with people who will tell you that you can be the greatest in this world. So do as I say in the month of June 2021 and you will see that you will progress in your life. Well, now let me start talking about the Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. Let me start predicting about y'all. Let me start with people who are doing a job or finding a job for themselves. Let me tell y'all that people who are doing a job, they are gonna face some serious problems in their work. They are going to be burdened, overburdened with work by their superiors, by their bosses. And they might get a sense of indignation at this point in time. They might think that they are being treated unfairly by their bosses and superiors. But I'd suggest you all to continue with the hard work which they expect from you. And later on, this hard work is gonna pay you off. Even if this hard work does not pay you off in the month of June 2021 itself, this hard work will pay you off in the future. This hard work of yours can be a basis for your future success, for your future promotions in that company, in that organization where you are currently working. Well, for people who are finding a job for themselves, let me tell you all that during this month, you are most unlikely to get a job. But the situation demands hard work from you. And I'd suggest you all to keep on contacting prospective employers in the month of June 2021. As I told you all that it is unlikely for you to get a job in the month of June 2021. But this hard work which you will be doing in the month of June 2021 of contacting your prospective employers, this will yield dividends for you in the future. I mean, you will get a job in the future. Well, for business people, this is gonna be a fantastic month. You are gonna excel in your business this month. You are gonna earn a lot of money during the month of June 2021. You are gonna see a lot of customers getting added to your existing list of customers. They are gonna give you a lot of business in the month of June 2021 and later on. The only problem I see for y'all in the month of June 2021 is that you might suffer a one-time loss, but you would recover from that loss very quickly. Well, on the health front, this month is not gonna be a good month for y'all. Y'all are gonna remain tensed and stressed out during the month of June 2021. This stress, this tension which you will be having will spoil your physical health. You need to monitor your mental health at this point in time, because any deterioration in your mental health will cause some physical ailments in you, which will be difficult to mitigate, alleviate later on. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your skin, your eyes, your lungs, your heart, and your digestive system. If you face any sort of problem regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then I'd seriously suggest you all to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in love, this month is gonna be a great month for you all. You are gonna get back your lost love in the month of June 2021. If you had broken away from that love which you had earlier, then during this month you will get back that love. I mean, that love partner. It is gonna be a new beginning for y'all in terms of your love life during the month of June 2021. And for all those people who are finding a new love for themselves, let me tell you all, you are going to find that love in the month of June 2021. Some Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people might face a disreputation because of their love partner during the month of June 2021. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a great month for y'all. If you are appearing for any sort of exam, any sort of competitive exam, then let me tell you all that you are gonna pass those exams with flying colors. You are gonna regain all that focus, that concentration you had lost in the earlier months. You'll be able to grasp, understand and comprehend things better in the month of June 2021. And I'd encourage you all to work hard during this time, because whatever you learn during the month of June 2021, it's gonna stay in your mind forever. So the planetary position tells me that it is gonna be a fantastic time for students if they work hard. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a good month for you, because there is going to be serious differences between you and your spouse this month. You and your spouse are gonna get frustrated with each other during the month of June 2021. You will feel a physical gap, an emotional gap between y'all, which will be difficult to fill during the month of June 2021. And the second thing in the double whammy would be that your near or dear ones, your loved ones, will try to create misunderstandings between y'all. So, all in all, it is not gonna be a good month for y'all. People who have been thinking about a divorce, let me tell you all that during this month, you will take that decision. And for those people who are trying to marry in the month of June 2021, I'd suggest you all not to do so. Well, for people who are in the stock market, this is gonna be a fantabulous month. You are gonna earn a lot of money in the stock market. All the investments you had made in the stock market earlier will be yielding a lot of profits for you. If you see any sort of profits on your investments which you had made in the stock market, then my recommendation to y'all would be take some money off the table. Book some profits for yourself in the month of June 2021. If you want to invest in the stock market, then this month can be a very good time for you. But don't make those investments in one go. Do it in several tranches. Well, for people who are gambling in the stock market, let me tell you all that this is not an ideal time for y'all to gamble. Do not gamble in the stock market or somewhere else. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell you all that during the month of June 2021, you are gonna get some money, some resources which will enable you to pay those EMIs, those installments on time. If you haven't been able to pay a single EMI, a single installment of that loan which you had taken from your creditors, then I'd encourage you all to go and speak to them, because during the month of June 2021, you may get some relief from your creditors. They may waive off the interest portion which you were supposed to give to them. Well, for people who are trying for a new loan, please do not do so in the month of June 2021. Well, Scorpio moon signs, Scorpio ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that I make a very special amulet, a very special locket, a very special pendant for all you Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, if you have been facing sorrows, miseries, worries, if you have been facing predicaments and ordeals in your life, if you have been continuously facing hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried enough to overcome these difficulties and problems without any success, then I'd recommend you all to wear this particular amulet. Well, if you wear this particular amulet, let me tell you all that this amulet is gonna help you to earn money in your life. It is gonna help you to see success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna help you to see richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular amulet is gonna make you get up once again in life, and it will propel you to run towards that thing called success. Well, this is a godly amulet, this is a religious amulet, and this amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I am talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. If there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings on this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one God in this universe. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that this particular amulet, this particular locket can be worn by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my video on Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. If you want specific predictions about yourself, if you want to plan your life taking the help of astrology, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You won't get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to be a positive person in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a month of June 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.